was involved a long time ago, like you mentioned, 20 years ago. And today, I would say that the success is, first of all, the success of Medtronic. I mean by that, all the people involved inside Medtronic that was, in fact, developing the TAVI program. And of course, about all the physicians, and Didier is one of them, that by their knowledge, the ability to teach, finally promoted this technology through proton session and teaching session during meetings. So it's more their results, their success than my success. What it's evoked to me and to Jacques and to finally all the people that have been involved in this adventure, it's a great reward, no doubt. And it's not to be proud, it's just to be pleased to have been lucky enough to participate to this great adventure. It is those guys that play the major role for the future of this technology.
So thank you, Jean-Claude. So the first thing I would like to do is to congratulate you, because definitely Jean-Claude has been one of the pioneers of the technology. And what I can say is that now I'm seeing my patients more than 10 years with a core valve. They have a core valve that is working perfectly well, and the patients have seen a real improvement. So definitely that has been a breakthrough for us in terms of procedure, but most importantly for the patients, because they truly benefit from that in terms of clinical improvements, increase in the life expectancy with a less invasive procedure. So thank you for that, Jean-Claude, for pioneering all that technology. It's really a major advancement for us and for our patients. So thank you. So what are the main benefits of the core valve platform? Because when Jean-Claude had the idea of that self-expanding supraannular transcatheter device, it was mainly for the hemodynamics, and we have to be thankful to him for that, because definitely in terms of being able to treat small annuli, making sure that we can tackle more challenging anatomies, like for example bicuspid, with very low gradients, large effective orifice areas. Definitely that design of supraannular self-expanding platforms works, and this has been kept from the initial design that was a core valve. That was a kind of challenging to deploy in the patients, then moved to a repositionable, recapturable platform, the Evolut R, and now we have that wrap around the Evolut R, so it has become the Evolut Pro. So all through this iteration, what has been kept is the initial design, the initial performance, the initial goal, supraannular self-expanding platform, and that's a superb design. What I really like from the companies is that they are constantly continuing to improve their devices, their platform, to solve some complications that we meet on a daily basis. And it's true that we already have, with that supraannular self-expanding platform, nice hemodynamics. With the wrap, we have virtual no PV leak for our patients. And with the recapturability, we can achieve very high implants, secure the anchoring to lower the pacemaker rates. But it's true that on a daily basis, what remains is vascular complications. We still are dealing with vascular complications, impacting the outcomes for the patients, because we have higher transfusion rates, bleeding, and this is going to impact survival or at least the comfort of the patients with longer hospital stay and so on. So what we see with the Pro Plus, what I see as a physician, is an improvement in the profile that is going to impact the vascular complication rate, to lower the vascular complication rate, and that is going to be beneficial for the patients. So that iteration brings back everything to a 14 French, that is quite small, and this is for the 23, 26, and 29 devices. Something that was already also missing with the previous iteration, the Evolut R34, was a wrap, and this is now available with the Pro Plus 34 that has a wrap. So it seems that it's going to be beneficial for the patients, because the remaining limitations in terms of shift profile, absence of wrap, so potentially higher PV leak rate for the larger size, is now solved. So we can be optimistic for the patient, because we already have a superb platform with excellent outcomes, hemodynamics, and even durability, because I'm now seeing patients coming back, as I said, with a valve that has been implanted 10 years ago, 10 to 12 years. So it's really impressive. And we may anticipate that we will be able to treat more patients, because more peripheral vasculature should be suitable for the Pro Plus platform.
So if we summarize, Didier, welcome.
Welcome, Pro Plus.
Pro Plus.